Hello, this quiz is all about quantifiers. Read the question and try to complete the gap with the correct answer. There are 12 questions. Keep track of your score and check how well you did at the end of the quiz. Good luck. Number 1. He's very popular and has lots of friends. Number 2. A large number of people in this town are homeless. Number 3. We have little time, so hurry up. Number 4. Several of my friends do yoga. Number 5. You can't spend money if you don't have any. Number 6. If we don't sell enough tickets, we'll have to cancel the event. Number 7. He lost both his legs in a car accident. Number 8. He has few friends and must feel very lonely. Number 9. We have plenty of rice, but not enough pasta. Number 10. None of the students knew the answer. Number 11. We spent a huge amount of money trying to solve the problem. finally, number 12. There's no need to rush, we have tons of time.